We are talking about the position vector. What do you mean by position vector? Position vector, OP is called position vector. Vector R is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Right? So how to define r cap? R cap is equal to vector R divided by modulus of R. Vector R, right? How to denote the vector R? Xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. What is modulus of R? As you know well, in the resolution of vector concept I already explained. The magnitude of the vector is given by root of x square plus y square plus z square. So please copy the things. So now we are discussing about so I have given explanation on position vector. What do you mean by position vector? OP vector is a position vector and it can be denoted by xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So if you want r cap is equal to vector r divided by modulus of r. What is our vector r? Xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So what is the magnitude of r vector? The magnitude of r vector is given by x square plus y square plus z square. So now we will talk about the another vector is what is called null vector. What do you mean by null vector? Whose magnitude is 0. Null vector whose magnitude is 0. How to analyze the situation of null vector? Let us consider a body moving from A to B and let it be displacement is plus 10 kilometer. Why it is plus 10 kilometer? Towards east. East is positive. Am I right or not? So now a body is moving from A to B and describe a distance of 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer towards east. Towards east I have taken as 10 kilometer is positive. Again, the body is moving from, it is returning back. It returns. It returned to point A. Moving from A to B and again it is coming from B to A. What happens? Initial point and terminal point are coinciding. So this is minus 10 kilometer. Minus 10 kilometer. What is the net displacement? What is the net displacement? Net displacement is plus AB vector plus BA vector. Why it is BA vector? Plus of minus. Why negative sign? Negative sign means plus AB. Plus AB means towards right side. Minus BA means towards left side. Left side, right side is taken as positive and left side is taken as negative. Therefore, plus 10 kilometer plus of minus 10 kilometer. Plus into minus is again what you get. Plus into minus is minus 10 kilometer. Therefore, plus 10 kilometer minus 10 kilometer get cancelled. What is the net displacement? Is 0. So I am talking about null vector. What do you mean by null vector? Whose magnitude is 0. Starting point and final point are coinciding. Starting point and final point are coinciding. Then it is said to be a null vector. What are coinitial vectors and concurrent vectors? Coinitial vectors and concurrent vectors. They have the same starting point. Two or more vectors having the same initial point. Maybe vector A, vector B, vector C, they are on xy plane. Another vector D, vector D is coming out of the board. This is another plane. So all these vectors are the same plane. Another vector is coming out of the board. Right? This is also a coinitial vector. So vector is coming out of the board. Two or more vectors having the same initial point, then they are said to be, then they are called as coinitial or concurrent vectors. What are coplanar vectors? Coplanar, acting on the same plane. Say vector A and vector B are concurrent and coplanar. Please attention. Here another vector is there. Vector D is here. Vector D I will show here. Where is vector D? Vector D is coming out of the board. This is the vector D. Vector A, vector B, vector C all are on the same plane. But vector D is coming out of the plane. But They are co-initial because even A vector, B vector, C vector on the same plane, and but D vector on the YZ plane. D vector is on the YZ plane. Then they are called co-initial vector or concurrent vectors. What are coplanar vector? Coplanar, concurrent and coplanar vector. Same initial point and acting on the same plane. Then they are said to be concurrent coplanar vectors. Please copy the things. So why in case of null vector magnitude is 0? What is the meaning of it? The body is moving from A to B towards east plus 10 kilometer, towards west minus 10 kilometer. Again it will return to the point A. It will return to the point A. So while going towards east is plus 10 kilometer, while return to the east is minus 10 kilometer. What is the net displacement? Displacement AB plus of minus BA. Why it is minus BA? B to A is negative. Therefore plus 10 kilometer and minus 10 kilometer. What is the net displacement? 0. Then what do you mean by null vector? Its initial point and terminal point are coinciding. What do you mean by terminal point? Starting point is called, see here, this is a vector. This is called starting point or initial point. This is called arrowhead will be the end vector. End vector or terminal point of the vector. What do you mean by arrowhead? Arrowhead will give the direction and this point is called end vector. This called is end vector or terminal point. What is this point? This point is called starting point or initial point. Starting point or initial point. Point A is initial or starting point. B is called terminal point or end vector. Terminal point or end vector. Please copy the things.